Hi, Hugo.
It looks really busy back at the booth. What's everyone looking at?
We are the place to be, apparently. What everybody's looking at is the most innovative mobile workforce management solution in the industry. That's what they're looking at.
So why is it the most innovative?
The reason why it's the most innovative is that we are very customer focused. So 10, 20 years ago, most of the software solutions started in the back office and stayed in the back office, whereas our solution started with the customer. We're very focused on putting the customer at the center of the appointment event, and we believe that if the customer is at the center, everything else will fall into place.
So what do you mean when you say putting the customer at the center?
Well, how we do that is we allow the customer to go on to a company's website and find out exactly when the tech will be at their home. So what we do is take a wide window, a wide service window, we narrow it down to 1 hour, and we can also notify customers a half hour in advance, an hour in advance, whatever they prefer, so that they don't have to wait at home. They can be mobile and meet the tech at their house.
Well, that's certainly a far cry from the 4-hour window that most companies give you these days.
Without a doubt.
Wow, that's amazing. And I think the idea of being able to go check it out yourself. What about the potential for scheduling?
Huge potential for scheduling. So part of the reason we are so effective in that narrow appointment window and communicating with the customer is that we have a robust routing engine, capacity management engine, dispatch engine, and with our predictive algorithms, we're able to look at each individual technician and we look at their performance over time, and we can predict exactly how long they will take to do an activity or a sub-activity. So all that critical information, that self-learning on an individual tech level, allows us then to provide the customer with exact information about the appointment.
Now, what if something unexpected happens? You know, a circuit blows, or who knows what else? You've got a segment of a line that just isn't working. You've got to trace it back. What happens then? So then obviously that tech starts running behind.
You're exactly right, and that happens. And so our system is very flexible, and we anticipate dynamics like that happening. So we have a lot of ways to manage that. One way is the technician can indicate that the job's going to take longer than they expected, and then our engine goes to work. And we can get another tech there in his place. We can notify the customer that the tech will be a little late, or just go ahead and substitute another technician.
Now, are those things that are automated, or is that a manual process?
Either or. It's really up to the company. Some companies we have choose to let the dispatchers be like air traffic control and let them decide if a job is in jeopardy, what do I want to do with that job? Now, we offer all kinds of intelligent information to help that dispatcher, so that's one option. The other option is for us to automatically throw it back into what we call a routing bucket and let our engine reroute that job.
So what's the impact at the end of the day on the customer and on the customer relationship?
You know what, it's just amazing, and we know from customer surveys, it's phenomenal for a customer to know, first of all, that you respect my time. And you respect my time by, first of all, asking me, how do I want to be notified? And you respect my time by narrowing the appointment window and giving me an advance notice of when the tech will be there. We're always trying to make it easy for dispatchers and technicians. And the easier it is, the more they use the tool, the higher the compliance, the better our predictive algorithms, and the customer wins.
And how well does it integrate with other enterprise software?
Very well. By nature, our system is not the master system, so we're always getting information, work orders, jobs, tickets, for example, from other customer care and billing systems or ticketing systems. So we have open APIs, anticipating that.
Got it, excellent. Well, Susan, it's been a pleasure chatting with you.
It's so nice to meet you.
Thanks, have a great show.
Thank you, you too.